Thousands queue for jobs as Eliseo walk-in interview highlights PNG employment crisis by Red Alert team. Thousands of job seekers converged on the Eliseo Group headquarters at 8 Mile, Port Moresby early this morning, underscoring the depth of Papua New Guinea's unemployment challenge. Long before sunrise, crowds began forming outside the company's premises in hopes of securing a chance at employment. Many applicants reported waking as early as 5 a.m. to join the queue, some traveling long distances to attend the walk-in interview. By 7 to 8 a.m., the swelling numbers had overwhelmed the available space, causing delays and forcing some candidates to turn back despite hours of waiting. As the morning wore on, hundreds remained standing under the hot Port Moresby sun, clutching documents and CVs. The sheer scale of the turnout illustrated not only the popularity of the opportunity, but also the desperation felt by many young people seeking stable work. Several job seekers expressed frustration at the limited capacity of the venue, noting that while the opportunity was welcome, the demand far exceeded expectations. Others said they were willing to endure the conditions, viewing the interview as a rare chance to be considered for formal employment. Observers said the scene reflected a broader national reality, where unemployment and underemployment continue to affect large segments of the youth population. Despite growing discussions around law and order, many believe that lack of jobs and economic inclusion remains a major driver of social problems. Analysts have long warned that without sustained job creation, especially for school leavers and urban youth, pressures on communities will continue to rise. The turnout at Eliseo's headquarters provided a stark, visible example of this challenge. Against this backdrop, Eliseo Group of companies was commended for opening its doors to walk-in applicants and creating employment pathways. For many attendees, the company's initiative represented hope in an otherwise difficult job market. Company representatives worked to manage the crowd and collect applications, acknowledging the overwhelming response. They noted that the exercise aimed to identify suitable candidates across a range of roles as part of ongoing expansion and operations. Community leaders said the event should serve as a wake-up call for policymakers and the private sector alike. They stressed the need for stronger collaboration to stimulate investment, support local businesses, and expand employment opportunities nationwide. As crowds slowly dispersed, the message from 8 Mile was clear. Papua New Guinea's youth are ready and willing to work. What remains urgently needed is a system capable of matching that willingness with real sustainable job opportunities.